Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we're taking a look at some and any. I know the difference may seem a little bit difficult, but today I will make it crystal clear and you will see the exact difference between all of these words. Let's get started. The most important thing to know is that some is used for positive sentences, affirmative sentences. For example, I have some friends, or I need some money. On the other hand, any is used with negative sentences, like I don't have any friends. I do not have any friends, so the sentence is negative. It requires any. I don't need any money. Nobody would say this sentence, but hey, it's an example. I do not need any money. Negative sentence, you use any. Now let's practice together. What would you put in the blank? There's milk in the fridge. There's some milk in the fridge. The sentence is positive. I don't see eggs though. I don't see any eggs though. Let's practice some more. I have free time tomorrow. I have some free time tomorrow. I don't have plans. I don't have any plans. Here's one more thing to know. Some is used to make many other words like someone, somebody, somewhere, something, and it is the same for any. Now, all of these other words follow the same rule. Positive sentences, some. Negative sentences, any. Let's check out a few examples. I know someone in Tokyo. Someone in Tokyo because the sentence is positive. You cannot say, I know anyone in Tokyo. It doesn't work. I don't know anyone in Osaka. I don't know, so you have to use anyone. I bought something nice. I didn't buy anything. So you see, positive sentences, always a word with some, and in negative sentences, you have to use a word with any. Let's practice. I met someone or anyone at the party. I met someone at the party. I didn't meet someone, anyone at the party. I didn't meet anyone at the party. You need more practice. There isn't something or anything in my bag. The sentence is negative, so you have to use anything. There isn't anything in my bag. How about this one? There is something, anything in my shoe. There is something in my shoe. Sorry guys, there is an exception. I know English is hard sometimes and there are many exceptions, but you will see this one is not too bad. Any is used for negative sentences. We have just studied that. But it can also be used for free choice. When you mean it doesn't matter which, it doesn't matter where, it doesn't matter who. Here's an example. Pick any card you want. You know when a friend of yours does a magic trick, a card trick, and they say, pick a card, pick any card you want. The sentence is not negative, the sentence is positive, but we use any because it means that there is a free choice of card. You can sit anywhere. Once again, positive sentence, but you have free choice. You can sit on any chair you want. You can practice English with anyone you like. Positive sentence, you have a free choice. It doesn't matter who you practice English with. It's important that you practice. Easy, right? What about questions? Ah, yes, questions. We use some in offers or requests. For example, would you like some coffee? That is an offer, so we use some. Or a request. Could I have some water? You are requesting water. You are asking for someone to provide you with water. Could I have some water? On the other hand, any is used for most other questions. For example, is there any milk in the fridge? Is there any milk in the fridge? It's not an offer and it's not a request, so we use any. One more. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? It's not an offer and it's not a request. We use any. Let's practice. Did you see good movies recently? Think about it. Now it's becoming a little bit more complex. Did you see any good movies recently? This question is not an offer and it's not a request. It's just a regular question. Do you have plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Once again, it's not an offer, it's not a request. One more set. Can I get fries with the burger? So you want to get fries with your burger. So you would say, can I get some fries with the burger? You are requesting fries. Would you like time to think about it? Would you like some time to think about it? You're offering the person to give them more time to think about the answer. You can probably guess what I'm going to say. The other words, like we've seen before, follow the same rule. So it's pretty simple, right? So you can say, can I get you something to drink? You're offering the person something to drink. Can someone help me carry boxes? Can someone help me carry these boxes down the stairs? Someone, because you are requesting help. On the other side, with any, did anyone call while I was out? Did anyone call while I was out? It's not an offer, it's not a request. Did you go anywhere on Saturday? Did you go anywhere on Saturday? Not an offer, not a request, it's just a question. It's practice time. Would you like anything to eat? What would you say? Ask yourself, is it an offer? Is it a request? If the answer is yes, it's some. If it's not, it's any. Would you like something to eat? Are you dating someone or anyone these days? Are you dating anyone these days? There is one more thing you must know, and I'm crying because I know you're going to hate this, but I have to tell you. Do you need some money or do you need any money? What would be your answer? Of course, it's an offer, so you would usually choose some. But in fact, both some and any can be right. It depends. If you expect a positive answer, you use some. If I think you're going to say, yes, I need some money, I'm going to say, do you need some money? For example, if you have a teenage son and he's going out with some friends and you know that he doesn't have a part-time job, so you would probably say, do you need some money to go out with your friends? Because you expect a yes. Now, if you expect a negative answer, you use any. Do you need any money? So, for example, if your son is going out with friends and he has a part-time job and you also gave him some pocket money yesterday, you can ask, do you need any money? And you expect a no. But sometimes you don't know what the answer will be, and in this case, it's a neutral question. It is just the same as most questions, so you just ask, do you need any money? I don't know if you're going to say yes or if you're going to say no. Let's see if you understand. Here's a situation. Your friend wants to see the Venice Carnival next week. Last time you talked, he hadn't found a hotel yet, because everything was fully booked. Of course, 1 week before the carnival, you cannot find a place to stay. So, What are you going to say? Did you find somewhere to stay, or did you find anywhere to stay? Think about the situation and think about your expectation of answer. Do you think he's gonna say, yes, I found a place, or no, I didn't find a place? And of course, you're gonna ask, did you find anywhere to stay? Because you think he's going to say no. Now, let's change the situation, and your friend, once again, is going to see the Venice Carnival next year. Oh, that's very different. Next year. So what do you expect? Do you expect him to say yes or no? Probably yes. So you would say, did you find somewhere to stay in Venice for next year? That would make total sense. Here's a summary. So for regular sentences, positive or affirmative sentences, some. Negative, any. Free choice, any. The blue line here is dividing regular sentences and questions. So for polite offers or request, some. For other questions, any. And the speaker's expectation. You have to think, if I expect a yes, some. If I expect a no, I use any. It's quiz time. Test yourself. Let's get started. He hasn't invited to his birthday party. Are you going to say someone or anyone? Think about it carefully. He hasn't invited anyone to his birthday party because it is a negative sentence. But don't worry, he's not alone. He has 2 cats, so I think he's fine. Question 2. Could I get sugar for my tea, please? That's a lot of sugar. Could I get some sugar for my tea, please? It's a request. Question 3. You may sit you like. We've seen that example before, right? You may sit anywhere you like. Free choice. Question 4. I saw interesting people at the party. I saw some interesting people at the party because it is a positive sentence. Question 5. Whoa, what a terrible place to work. Do you know who works for this company? Think about it. Do you know anyone who works for this company? That's a neutral question. You don't know if the person will say yes or no. You don't care. It's just a question. But it could also be someone. If you are expecting a yes, you can use someone, or if you're expecting a no, you use anyone. Question 6. He doesn't have idea how to get there. He doesn't have any idea how to get there because it's a negative sentence. Question 7. Is going to the festival tomorrow? Someone or anyone? Is anyone going to the festival tomorrow? It's just a neutral question. Question 8. Would you like help with your bags? She's carrying many bags and she's cute. So you would say, would you like some help with your bags? It is an offer. You are offering her to help. Question 9. I don't know about technology. He's freaking out. I don't know anything about technology. It is a negative sentence. Question 10. Has emailed you about the event? Has anyone emailed you about the event? That's a neutral question, but keep in mind, if you're expecting a yes, then you can also use someone. Has someone emailed you about the event? You should have received an email. Good job, guys. Hey, check out my other videos because you're going to learn something new. It's guaranteed. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.